Today we're going to look at page 14. Let's start on number 4. Evaluate the following expressions. 81 minus 9 times 7. So I'm going to multiply 9 times 7 and then I'm going to subtract it from 81. Pause this video if you need more time to solve that. Number 5, 54 divided by 6. I need to solve that first and then multiply by 8. I always do whatever is in the parentheses first. How many 1 by 1 by 1 cubes are in the following rectangular prism? For each problem, write an expression and evaluate to find the number of cubes. So here you're finding the volume. Volume means cubes in a shape. And so your expression is going to be either length times width times height, or base times height. So here's your expression. And you're going to count how many across, how many back, and those numbers are going to go here, and then we're going to count how many do we go up. That means how many layers do you have? And that number goes here. And then you're going to calculate it, multiply all the way across to solve how many cubes are in that prism. You're going to do the same thing for number 7. Blank times blank times blank. There's our base. So we're going to get that lit top or that bottom layer first and then times height. If you want to check your base, you can always count how many squares you see on top. Remember, don't count the sides when you count the top because that is actually part, like all of this, that's the same cube. Okay. Last one, challenge. Chloe is sorting items in a thrift store. She finds a box of tiny blocks that has 1,344 written on the outside of the box. She can see each layer in the box has 64 blocks. How many layers of blocks are there? So she's saying that she found this box, and inside of it, there's 1,344 boxes in it. But every single layer, this one layer has 64 blocks in it. The next layer is going to have 64 blocks in it. So it wants to know how many layers are there going to be that make 1,344. Next, it's asking you, what's another way Chloe could arrange the 1,344 blocks to fit in a different box? So this one's telling you that maybe to get 64, it was 8 times 8 for that base, because that's how we get 64, 8 times 8. And then I don't know right now what the height is. You just figured that out. But it's asking you what's a different way that she could have it layered if the box was different. So you have another length and width times another height. That would also equal 1,344. You might rearrange the base. You might rearrange the height. I'm excited to see what you come up with.